Eggs are one of my favorite ingredients for breakfast. So for this recipe, I wanted to bring back those memories of coming together around the table as a family for the first meal of the day. The eggs need to shine, and I'm going to use my Miele Steam Oven and the sous vide program. The perfect temperature for runny poached eggs is 63 degrees, and the sous vide program gives me total control of the heat right down to a single degree, so the eggs won't overcook. It doesn't matter whether I'm cooking 1 egg or 100. I can just set and forget, which is great when I'm busy getting the kids ready for school. The steam gets evenly distributed around the shell, so I get perfect eggs all the time. And because that yolk has been cooked at the right temperature, it's going to be runny, full of flavor, and bring a lot of added richness to the oats. I love the consistency, and Miele gets it right for me every time.